I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money through Grubhub, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the gift card section. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Choose Send a gift card. In the gift card section, look for the option that says Send a gift card. This will allow you to enter the amount you wish to send. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the recipient's email address and the amount you want to send. Double check the email to avoid sending it to the wrong person. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review all the details and hit the send button. You should receive a confirmation message that the gift card has been sent. Remember, if the recipient doesn't receive the email, check your sent folder for confirmation. Happy gifting!